Hello guys, and today I am going to show you how I fix my BSOD or the blue screen of death problem on my computer. So basically, um, if your PC randomly reset itself and gets blue screen out of nowhere, we can identify the problem, whether what type of driver is causing the issue or what type of particular application might cause the issue, right? So, so what he did is I'm going to use the verifier. By the way, before you do it, I highly recommend for you to back up your file. You can just simply search on how to do it, but make sure to back up your file unless you don't have any important uh, files or information on your computer. So first, on Windows 11, what you would have to do is to type in verifier just like that, and you'll see this run command verifier. You're gonna click it and open it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the second one. It says create custom settings for code developers. Close and open ended parenthesis. So after that, you need to tap everything except for randomized low resources simulation and DDI compliance checking. So as you can see, what I'm going to do is to make sure that I tick everything, but again, not the randomized low resources simulation and DDI compliance checking. So yeah, let me just proceed. After that, you gotta go ahead and click next. And once you're on the screen, what you have to do is to click the fourth option, which is to select driver names from a list. So when you're on this page, what you gotta do right now is to make sure that you tap everything except for Microsoft Corporation providers. I mean, anything that's provided by Microsoft. So we're gonna skip these first six and just ensure that um, we take everything that's not under Microsoft Corporation. And by the way, this is not the fix directly. Let me tell you, this is just how we will identify again which drivers are causing the issue. And you gotta restart your PC after this. I'm almost done. By the way, I'm not gonna proceed on this, but I'm just gonna tell you what to do after the next few pages, because that's pretty much it. So basically, tick everything that's not under or provided by Microsoft. And what you have to do after this is to click finish. And what's gonna happen is nothing. Nothing will happen after that. So in order for you to see um, the result, you need to reset or reboot the system, and you need to wait for it to crash to the blue screen. And normally it would crash the screen again. All right. So once it turned to blue screen, you gotta go ahead and try to continue to use your system normally. And if you know what causes the crash, do that repeatedly. And the objective here is to get the system to crash before driver verifier is stressing the drivers out. If it doesn't crash for you, then let it run for at least 36 hours. I know it's kind of weird, but that's how you should do it. But in the perfect world, normally what's gonna happen is it will, after it crashes, it will say something like driver verified detection violation. Like in my case, it says ATC that SYS. So it would say something like that. So driver verified detection violation, detected violation rather, and then it would show you uh, a code which on my case it says ATS that says. So what I did after that is I checked AI, or you can also Google it if you like, what's ATS.SYS, and I found out that ATS.SYS is when a Bitdefender, the antivirus, is fucking with my PC. So after I installed the antivirus, it fixed my problem. But again, that BSOD error, memory management thing, the blue screen of that could be caused by different things. So on my end, what I did to fix it is by uninstalling Bitdefender, but it could be different for you. So you just have to make sure that you find out which driver is causing it and from there solve it.